Brace yourself for an unforgettable journey. Watch as massive machines face unexpected challenges and epic fails. Get ready for a thrilling ride through the unpredictable world of heavy machinery. A rescue drill involved a tanker truck rolling down from a height and crushing a car beneath it. Thankfully, no one was injured during the exercise. A mobile crane suddenly collapsed, likely due to the weight of its cargo, according to preliminary investigations. Watch as the tank topples over, causing a huge commotion. It's incredible how quickly this heavy machine lost balance. Look at that! The truck crashes with such force. It's hard to believe how quickly it happened. The tower crane suddenly snaps, collapsing dramatically to the ground. A stunning reminder of the power of gravity. That truck just flipped over. It's incredible how quickly everything went wrong. This crane was truly powerful, lifting 80 tons at a time. Now it's being dismantled, closing a history chapter. Did you see that? The truck was raising the bed, and then out of nowhere it bursts into flames. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more thrilling content. Did you see that excavator? The power of nature is truly terrifying. What a chaos when a container ship took out 3 cranes in one go. The crash was shocking. Watch as the bulldozer pushes that massive rock. It's incredibly dangerous. The bad weather made lifting the heavy load even more dangerous. Thankfully, no one was hurt. Watch this demolition scene. The building comes down with incredible force, a reminder of how powerful these machines can be. There were numerous mishaps as the truck unloaded its cargo, and this was a prime example. This freight train near encountered a mishap when a car suddenly derailed and toppled over. The crane buckled under the unbalanced weight, snapped, leaving onlookers in shock. A technical failure caused the plane's wheel to fall off. But don't worry, this giant bird still managed to soar through the sky safely. The interesting thing is that the operators are always in the right place at the right time, handling the situation with precision and skill. In my opinion, he must have been overloaded. This is exactly what happened in the big dump truck incident. How much do you think the operator of that excavator gets paid to be in such a dangerous working situation? Well, the wooden bridge was no match for that overloaded logging truck. Oh no! Watermelons are everywhere after the forklift caused that incident. The excavator's timely grip on the truck turned the near miss into a successful save. It is clear that the bulldozer was unable to move from the side and was probably pushed from behind by the excavator with a bucket. Who was behind the wheel of this truck? It looks precarious without the driver at the controls. Oh no, looks like the excavator hit the power line. That's definitely not the kind of welcome it was expecting. The crane operator definitely needs to improve their skills to safely load this heavy equipment onto the truck. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon.